Good morning, dear students. We are discussing class 4 subject English. So we have completed the lesson Little Benjamin. Then today we will discuss the listening skill. Okay, it is in your book, page 119. So they have given a paragraph. Now I read the paragraph. You have to listen carefully and you have to answer the questions given below. Okay, so I read now. This is a story. It's an interesting story. So you have to listen carefully. Once there lived in the forest a very cunning jackal. One day he jumped into a tub of blue dye. I am your king, he announced to the forest animals after coming out of the tub. All the animals, big and small, believed him and bowed before him. The clever jackal smiled. Now he was the most powerful animal in the forest. He was proud to be the king. Once the jackal woke up in the middle of the night. The jackals in the forest were howling at the full moon in the sky. The blue jackal forgot he was a king. He too began to howl. The animals ran out to see. He is not a king. He is just a jackal. They shouted. They rushed to attack him. Stop, stop. I am sorry. I tricked you. Please do not kill me, pleaded the blue jackal. The animals forgave him, but only after giving him a good beating. Now we will discuss the questions here. So listening skill. Tick the correct answer. Okay, tick the correct answer. Question number 1 we have. The blue jackal also howled at the moon because dash. He was a jackal. He was a king. He got up in the night. He was a blue jackal. Okay. The blue jackal also howled at the moon because he was a jackal. He was a king. He got up in the night. He was a blue jackal. Okay. So the right answer is he was a jackal. Okay, he was a jackal because all the jackals were howling at night, and jackal himself, he forgot that he was a king, so he also began to howl. So the blue jackal also howled at the moon because he was a jackal. Because when one jackal makes a noise like howls, others also will howl. In the same way, he was a jackal, so he also howled at the moon. Then we have number 2. The other animals realized that the king dash. Okay. The other animals realized that the king dash was powerful, was a jackal, was blue, was cunning. Okay. So it is was a jackal. So the other animals realized that the king was a jackal. It was not a king, it was a jackal. The next, number 3. When they realized that their king was a jackal, they were very dash. Okay. When they realized that it was not a jackal, it was a king, they saw that it was jackal, and what was their reaction? They were upset and sad, understanding, angry. Okay, we have studied that when they realized that it was a jackal, they all ran to him and they beat him. They attacked him because they were angry. So the answer will be angry. So when they realized that their king was a jackal, they were very angry. Okay.